Massive congratulations to our ICAN May 2026 DIE students. The results are out, and the success we've recorded together is nothing short of legendary. This victory is the direct result of sleepless nights, fervent prayers, and the powerful partnership between the EZIKAN team and our dedicated students. You have proven that when your hard work meets our guidance, the past result is inevitable. But for those of you aiming for the November 2026 diet, the real question is, are you ready to be our next celebrated success story? On Saturday, July 4th, we officially kick off our virtual online lectures for the November exams. I need you to forget everything you think you know about online classes. We have brought the full physical class experience to your home. You aren't just looking at slides. You are watching your lecturer live and direct on a physical whiteboard, engaging one-on-one real-time conversations. We don't just teach theory, we dismantle the exam. During our lectures, we solve past questions extensively, showing you exactly how the examiners think and how you must respond to win. At EZIKAN, we don't believe any paper is too much. Whether you are sitting for one paper or the entire level, we provide the strategic roadmap to crush everything in your very first attempt. Our teaching is so comprehensive and deep that you won't need to spend a kobo on extra lectures anywhere else. And because we know life is busy, every single lecture is recorded. You can rewatch, pause, and master the most difficult topics at your own pace anytime you want. Our intensive success schedule is set. Saturday, 8 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Sunday, 12 noon to 6 p.m. Weeknights, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Now, pay close attention. A detailed follow-up timetable will be released right here very soon, well before our July 4th commencement. Make sure you are subscribed and your notifications are on so you don't miss it. Your effort, our proven methods, and total cooperation, that is EZIKAN guarantee. Don't just aspire for success, secure it. For further information or to enroll immediately, call or contact EZIKAN via WhatsApp right now at +234 234 8062 47 9843 +234 8062 47 9843. Your journey to becoming a chartered accountant in November starts this July. Let's make it happen together.